with my salted egg yolk. Everything is perfect at this moment. This video is made possible by Farmers Market Singapore, an online butcher that is well known for offering high-quality meat products that are traceable, sustainable, and affordable, fresh from the farm gate to your plate. Today, I'm going to be using their Vietnamese tiger prawns to cook one of Singapore's favorite dishes. What's up, you guys? Kilianchu here. It's the third episode of our cooking video with Farmers Market Singapore, and today I'm gonna be cooking one of Singapore's favorite dishes. Salted egg prawns is one of my favorites indeed ever since I came to Singapore. It has been a craze a few years back, and up until today it's something that has been consumed from hawker centers to restaurants here in Singapore. And so today I'm going to be recreating that. I'm going to be using Vietnamese prawns, and I can't wait to cook. Let's go. The salted egg craze has been around for years. Ever since I tried it on potato chips and fish skin, it has become an instant favorite. I mean, put it on anything and it's definitely gonna be tasty. Singapore and Malaysia has been cooking it in streets, hawkers, and restaurants. And although I love it on fried chicken, there's just this certain happiness when I eat prawns with salted duck egg. It feels like a feast, and it just always satisfies my cravings. Today, I'm going to be recreating this dish, and I'm going to call this episode A Taste of Sapidity. First thing we're going to do is marinate the prawns. I'm using Vietnamese prawns, also known as white leg shrimps or king prawns. These are already peeled, deveined, with tail on, so it'll be easier to prepare. Add in a tablespoon of salt, pepper, and sugar, and mix with your hands. Look at how fresh they are. While it's marinating, let's prepare the ingredients. We're going to be using 4 salted duck eggs, unsalted butter, curry leaves, 3 red chili padi, coconut cream, 1 whole garlic, organic sugar, and salt and pepper. Let's start by preparing the yolks. This pack we bought are cooked duck eggs. Look at how golden and oily. That's what we're looking for. But if you happen to see or get the raw ones, you may simply steam the yolks. Yes, just the yolks. Just the egg yolks. You may keep the egg whites and maybe add them to your salsa on your next dish, or whatever recipe you may have. Then mash the yolks like this and set aside. We will be deep frying these marinated prawns for around 2 minutes. We don't need to cook it that long as we have to mix it with the sauce at the end. Drain and set aside. Now this is my favorite part as always, making the sauce. Let's start with some olive oil and 1/4 cup butter. Saute 1 whole minced garlic. I think this portion is more than 1. Well, we just love garlic so much, as well as the curry leaves. So go ahead and add as much as you want. 4 salted egg yolks in, mix it well and wait for it to bubble. Then season it with salt, pepper, and sugar. And finish it off with coconut cream. Add in all the prawns we deep fried earlier and mix everything until each piece is coated with the sauce. Oh yeah, this is exactly the color we're going for. Yellow, orange, red, green. Finish it off with some more red chili padi and more of the rich, buttery, creamy sauce. Time to eat. Alright, done with the cooking, plating, garnishing, filming, and it's time to devour on this salted egg prawns, specifically with coconut milk, because usually recipes would use normal evaporated milk, but for this one I used coconut milk to make it more richer, more lemak. like what they say here. So I have here some salted egg prawns that are battered in cornstarch and egg and then deep fried. That's it. Very, very simple and very fast, like, because for shrimps or for prawns, right, it's easy to cook. Like, took about like 1-2 minutes and it's done. Set aside, and then I prepared the sauce immediately. I sauteed some garlic and butter and olive oil, and I added some curry leaves, so fragrant, and of course my favorite ingredient, coconut milk. So it's like you have the rich butter and you have the rich 4 egg yolks. We got 4 egg yolks. I actually forgot to put the extra egg yolk from the chicken egg, but it's okay. It's already flavorful. I just wanted to be more richer, but you know, we got the richness from the butter, richness from the duck egg yolk, and the third one is the coconut milk. So we have a trifecta of richness or sapidity, and this is gonna be good. This is supposed to be a rich meal, so I prepared a salad on the side. So this is what we call ensaladang talong in Filipino. Ensalada is salad and talong is eggplant. And then I boiled some corn on the side because I'm still waiting for my rice, you know. The rice is still cooking, I forgot. But it's okay. Let's start with the main dish, the star of this episode, salted egg prawns. I'm gonna use chopsticks just because it's a Chinese dish. I don't know. The use of salted egg duck, I think it's a Chinese way. They're the ones who create those. I don't know. Let's see. Oh my gosh. These prawns are so plump. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Orange and the yellow from the salted egg. It's like as if I put some turmeric in there that made it really yellow, but it's the golden salted egg duck. Wow, this is gonna be good. Cheers. Oh wow. Really flavorful. I just season it with salt, pepper, and you have that spiciness from the red chilies. They call it chili padi here, chili padi. The aroma and the flavor that's coming from the curry leaves, it's just phenomenal. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take some of my salad. Oh, by the way, this salad is called ensaladang talong, which basically means eggplant salad. You wouldn't see much of eggplant because we only used one. We smoked it, peeled it, and chopped it into small pieces. Then we diced some tomatoes, red onions, colorful bell peppers, and seasoned it with vinegar, fish sauce, sugar, and pepper. Topped it with ripe thyme mangoes, as this is the perfect side dish to contrast our main dish. Let's try this salsa with the smoked eggplant and mango. Oh wow. Oh wow. Woo! It's sour and salty and crunchy. Everything that you need. All the textures and flavors in this small little salsa that can brighten up the dish. You have the rich main dish, and this can balance it out. Some contrast of flavors. And a bite of my corn. I boiled it for like 10 minutes. Let's try it out. These are corn coming from Malaysia, I think. Malaysia corn. Really sweet. That's it. The thing about eating is you just have to keep on eating the main dish, the side dishes, because it's gonna be boring if you have just one flavor all throughout, right? So you eat something rich and heavy and flavorful like this. Just like that. And you get some of your salad. Oh yeah. So delicious. Isn't it perfect? It's like the Singaporean tempura, but extra rich I love it. With my salted egg yolk, everything is perfect at this moment. I can't stop eating. I think I can make a smile here because this prawn really makes me so happy. Prawn smile. Guys, rice is cooked. I'm so ready to devour my shrimp with brown rice. Usually at home these days, I would just use brown rice. So put it on top. I'm gonna get some of the butter with the salted egg yolk. Oh yes, I'm gonna dig in.